Hey guys, this is Steve with American Pool and Spa.
Christian with River Pools.
Got Christian with me today.
What's up, man?
Hey man, it's good to see you again.
You too, buddy. It's fun hanging out.
It's been a couple of years, and you know we've been watching Christian with doing river pools for quite some time.
And we've been watching you guys. Hashtag PoolGuys. You guys are doing all kinds of stuff out there on the interwebs, having a good time.
Dude, it's a blast.
Putting pools in the ground.
Yep.
Delivering spas.
Yep.
Fixing stuff.
Yep.
Educating people.
Yeah, chemicals, services, all that kinds of stuff. And you guys are a big manufacturer all across the nation. How many dealers you guys got?
I think we're up in the 40 to 50 range, somewhere in that ballpark. I haven't seen the list lately.
Jeez.
Yeah, and 5 franchise locations. It's been a while, dude. We got to hang out and catch up more often, one creator to another.
Yeah, no, and that's one of the cool things about being at the Pool and Spa EXPO 2020 is there's tons of people, tons of different.
Hold on, I'll count them.
Yeah, right. I think it was like, what was it? 11. There's 11,000 people and something over, I think 1,100, dealers signed up.
Wow.
I was looking at the
vendors. Yeah.
Holy cow!
It's definitely a bigger crowd this year than it has been in the past. I'll tell you that.
I mean, it's phenomenal. And going in there, checking out the products, and seeing when your dealers, whatever state they're from, they come and bring something back to you guys. Their goal is to bring back quality, craftsmanship, and bringing, knowledge and the education. When they go to a class like, Christian actually just had a video class. I sat in on it. There's always something to learn. Even when you've gotten to a certain level, you can always learn more. I learned about a couple of mobile apps I did not know about, and you guys can learn more from Christian too. So you guys go up to his, River Pool. Where can I find you?
Yeah, so riverpoolsandspas.com. Check out our YouTube channel. If you just search us on all the socials, we're just at River Pools. We'll pop up on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. We got all the right places.
All the places.
But our website does the heavy lifting for us, and that's where we like to spend most of our time educating consumers and pool business owners alike.
Yeah.
So
there's education to be had. Everybody, tune in to the Pool and Spa Expo. We're excited to be here. We're excited for you guys to watch everything that comes out of it. And check out all the local dealers. Tune in for River Pools. If you're in the Central Kentucky area, we can help you guys out. Just Google hashtag PoolGuys. Check out our website, YouTube, Facebook, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
And with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. This is Steve with American Pool and Spa.
Christian with River Pools. Hey, we better get out of here, man. Here comes Justin and Darren now.